Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a product to share with you, to show you. I was contacted by this company called the Handy Baking Club. And they sent me this really cool rolling pin. I just thought this was amazing. When I had no idea what I was getting. They contacted me and said they were going to send me a rolling pin or something, and I had no idea it was going to be this amazing. Just look at that. It is so cute. And it is all real wood. It's just carved out of there. It's just such a beautiful design. So what you would do is to make your cookies, or you can use it on your pie crust. You want to get a regular rolling pin and roll out your dough, and then go over this to put in the design. And they've got so many really cool ones. I was on the website checking it out. You can get Star Wars. You can get, it says Merry Christmas. They have skulls for Halloween. They have a paisley. They have one with music notes, one with Christmas gifts, stars, and I thought there was one more, but that might be all. But anyway, I'll put a link to the website. You can check it out. I guess it's going to be a baking club where you get items once a month or something. The website, Handy Baking Club, is not active, or even you can't find it. But they sent this really neat magazine. It's very nice quality. It's got recipes. It's got all kinds of tips. And just different things for baking. There's, like, it shows like these cookies you can make. And then it talks about baking with your kids, decorating cookies, the great debate, butter versus shortening. And then it has a little welcome message from the editor, Janice Miller. And it talked about how baking with your family and growing up, she always enjoyed. So then here's something about baking with your kids. It talks about how baking boosts confidence, baking improves math skills, baking improves science skills, life skills, sparks creativity. I'm not sure. Baking promotes a can-do attitude. I'm not sure what that means, but here's what number 6 says. If you can make that out. See, where is it? Right here. And the quality and the pictures are just so beautiful in this magazine. There's an ultimate cookie dough recipe. I mean, look at that picture. Isn't that just scrumptious and so pretty? Easy cookie decorating for big batches. And then it gives you simple decorating before baking, a tinted egg wash, tinted milk wash, and your embossing rolling pin. And then simple decorating after baking using a basic glaze, sugar coating, melted chocolate, stenciling, or stamping. And here's a few pictures with ideas. Then that has the debate about shortening, or butter versus shortening. So like it says, when butter wins, if you need your cookies to be crisp and chewy, you want to use butter. If you don't need to shape your cookies, you want to use butter. If you need a cookie that holds its shape in the oven and rises up rather than out, you want to use shortening. If you're looking for something less chewy with a crumblier and more tender texture, you would use shortening. So there's all kinds of information about that. It shows how to make a holiday cookie tree, which I've made one of these once, and that was a lot of fun. Super cute. So you could roll out your dough, use a cute decoration like this one, and then cut them into star shapes. And then it talks about cut the cookies, decorate, and assemble. And then there's gingerbread cupcakes. which would be good for lots of times, not just Christmas. Gingerbread's always yummy. And then here's a kids corner. So there's something for you to do with your kids. I guess it's something not probably easier. Our goal for every kid's snack is to support their health and their happiness. So it's apple toffee muffins. That sounds amazing. It says, baking may be regarded as a science, but it's the chemistry between the ingredients and the cook that gives desserts life. Baking is done out of love to share with family and friends to see them smile. Anna Olson. So there's that. And that's the last page. So it's a really nice book, and this is just an amazing rolling pin. I think it's so beautiful, and I guess also I love woodworking, so this really just resonates with me because I just love the wood look of this. So I'll have a link down below, but you want to go. This website is where you can get them, I guess, until the baking club gets underway. It's called coolstuffpeoplewant.com. So I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I don't know a whole lot about it. They sent this to me, and I didn't even know it was a baking club or anything. But this is really cool. And that would be a lot of fun, getting baking stuff in the mail if you love to bake, and if you love to bake with your kids. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you again soon. Bye.